Are you a student who want to buy a new laptop? Then this video would be useful to you. So this video is going to be the unboxing and the hands-on of the Hewlett-Packard or the HP Pavilion X360. So let's begin. Before we begin, I need you to click the subscribe and activate your notifications so you'll be the first one to know whenever I upload a video. So yeah, let's begin. Yeah, these are the two things that we get when we are buying the laptop backpack, which is the HP's Essentials backpack, and this costs about $1,099, and I just got this for free in the HP's showroom or the HP store. So this is the laptop box itself. So this is the shipping label, and the on the one side of this laptop you just got the pricing of it is month and the year of the import, June 2019, and the MRP is about, or the maximum retail price is about $62,464 because of all taxes. But I just got this for, you know, like $53,000, which is pretty much great discount. It has got the Microsoft Office Home and Student. We need to activate by signing into the, you know, like the Microsoft with our Microsoft account. These are the stickers that I get on the laptop, but I don't like to stick these stickers and expose to everyone on my laptop. I just want to keep it secret, so just remove this and stick this on the box. So on the other side we just got the specs. The Pavilion X360 is convertible laptop, model number of 14-dh0047TU. That's got the 8th gen Intel Core i3 processor with 2.1 GHz and 256 GB SSD or the solid state drive, and 1 TB hard drive or the HDD. And you have got the 4 GB RAM, no optical drive, no DVD or the no CD drive. It has got the Windows 10 Home pre-activated. So you will be getting the touch screen, multi-touch enable. You can do various operations, you know, like you can tap on like this. And you have got the 14-inch diagonal full HD IPS LED display and Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. This is the thing, the piano, Bang & Olufsen speakers. I just love that. I just love the sound. So this is the thing. Yeah, let's unbox this. Yes, this. So we're gonna tearing the seal. Yeah. I don't have any, you know, like unboxing knives to unbox this. I'm just using the kitchen tool. So this is the box. We just tear this down. So we just got this user manual, steps and instructions by the HP. We'll be talking about that later. And this is the box itself. We just got this laptop. We're getting the stylus too, the pen, the HP's pen, and we're just gonna get the power adapter. So let's put this box aside. So this is the power cord, and this is the charging adapter of 65 watts. Yeah, let's go to the laptop. We'll put this aside. The stylus, styrofoam. Yes, this is the laptop that we are getting, the HP's Pavilion 360. Pretty great laptop, very good laptop for a student that you can buy. You know, like, yeah, this is the thing. This is the laptop and the stylus. Yes. I just love that pop sound, don't you? Put this aside. The user manual of the stylus and energizer battery. it runs by a battery. Yeah, you'll be getting the 2 more nibs, extra nibs for this. So a sticker, which I'm gonna remove. I don't like to put the stickers on my laptop and stylus. So yeah, we need to open this by twisting this around. Yes, so we need to put the battery positive inside and the negative on the upper side. Yeah, we're gonna close this carefully. I just opened this laptop before and I just used it, like dividing local disks. Dividing my drives into particular users that I want. But I just wanted to show you so that you can also buy this one, the best laptop. Yeah, this is so slim, so sleek. So this is the Kensington lock. This is the power button, the air vents of the CPU. This is the headphone or the microphone jack, USB. You can use it for various purposes. The HDMI cable, the charging port. This is the USB port only for data transfer, and this Type-C is also for only data transfer. This is the SD slot where you can put your SD slot and you can transfer the data. This is the hard drive indicator logo. This blinks when you are using the laptop. This is the HP logo itself. I just love this hinges. And it is written the Pavilion over here. The Pavilion over here. It is just like holding a notebook in your hands. So let's open this bad boy. Yes. This is the thing I have to open. You can remove this. This is the laptop that we get, the 14-inch IPS LED display, touchscreen, multi-touch enabled, the B&O speakers. They are deadly. They are too loud, but too decent. So it is written the Pavilion over here. And before on the box, I just show you some stickers. Those are right here and another one here. I just remove this. I don't like to place the stickers on my laptop. So this is what we're just going to power this on. I've told you before I've used this. So this is the backlit keyboard. You can see. Yes. This is turned off. Yes. So we'll be getting, I need to increase the brightness. So this is the PC that we are getting. You can rotate it like this. Yes, and you can use it as a tablet if you want. This is touchscreen. You can know about the specs itself. Yeah, this is a pretty good laptop. I just used this before, and you can use the stylus if you like. I'll be getting some emails, so this is the thing. You can use the stylus like this. Get started. So the sticky notes is signed in, so that you can use your stylus. Yeah, this is the thing that we are getting. This is so simple. It is like holding a pen in your hand and writing. You don't have the touch prints. You just you'll be writing on the notes like this, like this. Just that simple. I just love this. So this is the unboxing. You can use it like this or this. This has auto rotate, and if you want to switch into your PC mode, yeah, that's it. I'll be showing the specs and tricks and tips later, but this is the unboxing and hands-on of the HP's Pavilion X360. So yeah, that's it for now. So that is the end of the video. I'm going to be wrapping up today's video. If you want to buy this laptop, I'll drop down the link below in the description, and you can, or else you can go to the nearest HP store. So if you have any doubts or queries, just comment down below. I'll let you know about your doubt. Thank you.